Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic pry tool, and an anti-static wrist strap. Ensure your workspace is clean and well lit. Before you begin, turn off the laptop and disconnect it from any power source. 1. Remove the back cover. Locate the screws on the back panel of your Acer N15Q1. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew all the screws. Keep them in a safe place. Once unscrewed, use the plastic pry tool to gently lift the back cover off, starting from one corner and working your way around. 2. Disconnect the battery. Locate the battery inside the laptop. It will typically be a rectangular component with wires connected to the motherboard. Carefully disconnect the battery connector by gently pulling it out. If you're unsure, refer to the laptop's manual for guidance. 3. Remove the old battery. You will find screws securing the battery in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws. After that, you can lift the battery out. Be sure to handle it carefully to avoid damaging any surrounding components. 4. Install the new battery. Take your new battery and place it in the same position as the old one. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Then, reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard, ensuring it's firmly in place. 5. Clean the interior. Before reassembling, take a moment to clean the interior of your laptop. Use compressed air to blow out any dust or debris from fans and vents. This will help maintain optimal performance. If you don't have the tools or prefer professional assistance, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get your laptop serviced without any hassle. Plus, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you know what the issue is before proceeding with any repair. 6. Reattach the back cover. Align the back cover with the laptop and press it down gently. Replace all the screws to secure it in place. Double-check that no screws are missing and everything is tightly fastened. 7. Power on and test. Finally, reconnect your laptop to the power source and turn it on. Check that the new battery is recognized and charging properly. You can do this by going to the battery settings in your operating system. If you encounter any issues, remember, we provide a quote before repair, allowing you to make informed decisions about your laptop's care. This ensures you receive the best service without unexpected costs later on. With these steps, you should be able to successfully replace the battery in your Acer N15Q1 laptop. Always prioritize safety and refer to your laptop's manual if needed. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.